Today I have unboxing some fidgets. So there's one, some open, there's one, some closed. Now let's unbox it. First up, the tabas. First, let's rate the squish. So first we have the taba waffle. There's also a cute bear on it. So I'll rate this a 9 out of 10. Nextly, let's rate this taba paw. Let's squish it. I think I'll give it out a 5 out of 10. Next up, the Minnie Mouse squishy taba. I'll rate this also a 9 out of 10. Nextly, we have the strawberry and blueberry squishy sugar. And also a puppet spinner. You can also balance it with your thumb. Oops, it fell. I'm getting. There we go. And also, you can also pop. Now let's pop it back. Next, another puppet spinner, but it's a Ferris wheel. Let's pop it again. Pop, 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 pop. Now let's spit. I'll rate this an 11 out of 10. Nextly, we have the Infinity Cube. And also, let's reveal our dumpling squishy. They said it's water squishy, so let's pop piece. So I'll show you first. I'm closing on my eyes. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! The blue galaxy. I'm happy about this. Look, the squishy. Look at this. I'm showing you. See, it looks like a tomato juice. So let's put it back. Let's back in next week. So let's do another one. I will show you all my fidgets that I brought in Divisoria. Nextly, we have a needle. Let's start with this needle ice cube. Nextly, we have our needle Dr. Pepper. And also, we have this needle with design. And lastly, we have a pink glitter needle. So it's still covered in the box. I haven't opened this. Now let's open it. Let's see. Oh my god, look how the glittery part of it. It's so fun to squish it. So let's do it. Next, put it back in the box. Clearly, let's fix it. Okay, let's put it back. And then, nextly, we have this peanut squishy. And then we have these two dimple puppets. And then we have the 12 sides fidget. So I love it. So I brought this at Robinson. And then nextly, we have a clicker. So my best friend Daphne gave this to me. And then I feel proud of it. The texture, it looks so stocky. Now let's do this, another infinity cube. There we go. You saw it. It's in TikTok. So I'll rate this at 20 out of 10. Let's check first if we still have Fidget. Okay, bye-bye guys. That's all. Bye. And please like and subscribe. Follow. Hope you like my fidget collections. I bought it in David Soria's toy store. And also, I have fun loving these virus key toys. Please like and subscribe. But don't bash in my video. Please.